Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the page vertically and horizontally in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the page vertical and horizontal. At first, we make the page vertical. Zoom out the page at first. Then go to the page layout menu. Select the orientation drop down menu. Now I am select the landscape. We can see we make the page vertical. We go to the file menu and select the print option. Then show the preview. We can see here the preview is vertical horizontal page. Then we back and select the page vertical. Go back again the file menu, click the print option. You can see we make the page vertical easily. Now we can see we change the page vertically and horizontally in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.